Are you looking for the best shop vac for woodworking? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best shop vac for woodworking that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Craftsman CMXEVBE17607 Wet-Dry Vac for woodworking. The Craftsman heavy-duty shop vac has proved immensely beneficial for woodworkers. You can use this shop vacuum for multiple needs like cleaning out water, sucking dust and debris, and a blower. It has an overall well-built structure with a great waste collection storage capacity. This high-quality shop vac for carpenters comes with a 6.5 peak HP motor along with a detachable blower. It has the power to handle big cleaning projects at the job site, garage, and shop. It also has a 2-in-tools feature and comes with dual flex technology that offers 180-degree flexibility at both the hose ends. Apart from that, the vacuum also carries an onboard hose storage along with a power cord and accessory organizers. This will terminate unwanted hassle and also lessen the storage space. The vacuum also comes with a POS, a lock hose that offers a secure attachment of the hose to the vacuum. Being one of the best shop vacs for woodworking, it also has a big drain that empties the tank full of liquids immediately. The Quick lock filter fastening feature makes the whole installation and removing wet-dry vac filters easy, secure, and quick. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt DXV09PA heavy-duty shop vacuum for woodworking. The DeWalt wet-dry shop vac is one of the finest vacuums for efficient cleaning. It is compelling as it helps to clear out everything left on the floor. This vacuum also has the capacity to squeeze through all the hard-to-reach areas. Among the most powerful 9-gallon shop vacs, the machine comes with an upgraded hose, floor nozzle, round brush, 2 extension wands, crevice nozzle, cartridge filter, etc. You can use it during remodeling projects for small and large cleanups. With its 360-degree rubberized caster, you can easily move the vac around to all the areas effectively. Even though it's bulky in size, the vacuum doesn't make any sound. The coolest part about the DeWalt DXV09P is that it offers 4-in-1 functions, which are inflating, wet cleaning, dry cleaning, and blow. One thing you might notice is that the hose gets constantly twisted, and you need to disassemble the attachments and fix them after realigning. Nevertheless, it is instilled with numerous functionalities and can also be used as a blower shop vac. The 3rd product on our list is the Vacmaster Professional Strong Suction Shop Vac for Sawdust. The Vacmaster Professional Shop Vac VFB511B0201 has proved beneficial for woodworking and construction sites. The powerful wet-dry vac has been designed in such a way so that it can deliberately provide high performance. This champ can tackle the most demanding cleanup projects and sites regardless of the location. Using this shop vac for woodworking projects will get the cleaning work done immediately. This is all thanks to its high water lift motor that offers superior power and suction. The vacuum comes with an integrated onboard storage to keep the hoses and accessories, 18-foot power cord, a blower port, and rugged polypropylene tank. This Vacmaster vacuum comes with a cleaning reach of 25 feet that will help you reach much farther without unplugging the vacuum from the unit. It comes with a total of 8 accessories, which are a crevice tool, premium hose, fine dust cartridge filter, car nozzle, extension wand, noise and air diffuser, and foam wet filter. Second on our list is the Shop-Vac 59897 high-capacity wet-dry vacuum for wood shops. This woodworking vacuum is highly beneficial for professionals and experts. It is made up of 16-gallon stainless tank, which runs on a 6.5 horsepower motor. Affixed to it is a metal carrying handle and large rear wheels that add maneuverability. It is a good shop vac for woodworking as it comes equipped with an enormously long power cord and a hose pipe. You will also find additional accessories, including extension wands, nozzles, collection bags, and cartridges. You can also use it as a blower once you attach the hose to the rear blower port. So, this will immensely help in blowing off dirt and dried leaves from various places. Finally, the top product on our list is the Stanley SL18116P affordable wet-dry vacuum for woodworking. The Stanley 6-gallon wet-dry vacuum is one of the best shop vacs for woodworking in the market. It is installed with a large capacity to hold over 22 liters of wet and dry waste materials. In other words, you don't need to empty the bucket in between the cleaning procedure. This high-suction shop vac is mighty and versatile as it consists of a 4-peak HP motor. It offers the most powerful and efficient suction, thereby making cleanup jobs tremendously easy. You can also use this versatile shop vac for cleaning all kinds of waste products from liquid spills and fine sawdust. It also comes with an inbuilt storage space that allows you to organize and keep the power cord and hose after use. Priced under $100, it is perhaps the best cheap shop vac for woodworking. This vacuum includes various additional equipment that helps in enhancing further cleaning procedures. The long cord allows the machine to be moved from one place to another without unplugging. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.